Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good and staying safe. Today I will be sharing two recipes. One is cake recipe which has a very healthy twist in it, and also I will be sharing chicken recipe which is a Nawabi chicken which can always be made for parties or even simply at home. Watch the video till the end. I will be sharing nice Christmas decoration around the community here and there, and it's very beautiful too. Let me first introduce you to this orchid plant, a very beautiful gift from my friend, and it's a very beautiful addition to my little garden on the table. Look at this string of pearls, also doing good for this winter so far. New pearls are also coming, so they are doing good. Few are dying as well, no problem, they all will do good once the weather is good. Now you can see I am watering this orchid plant, still learning all how to take care of it. Once I become a pro, I will make a detailed video on that too. Now for now, just very little is good for this plant, that's all I know. Don't throw away these kind of overripe bananas. They are always going to end up very beautiful and tasty cakes if you use them like this. I have taken 3 bananas, to that 3 eggs, and now 2 cups of maida, nicely sifted to keep it very nice and smooth cake. To that I will be adding half cup of cocoa powder and half cup of sugar. Sugar you can keep less itself because we have the sweetness from banana, and even chocolate chip we will have it. See, half cup of oil I have added, and 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda. All together nicely mix it. These are the basic ingredients. You don't need any stand mixer or hand mixer. I have added half cup of chocolate chip and half cup of walnuts. Nicely give it a good mix. Just before shifting to the baking tray, I am adding steaming hot water, half cup. Nicely give it a good mix. This is going to make the cake very moist and soft. Now you can just transfer everything to the baking tray and bake it at 350 Fahrenheit only for 30 minutes. Again I am layering one more layer of walnut on top. Many times I have showed what you can do with overripe bananas. You can make just simply banana bread, which I already shared previously. Only banana bread with chocolate chips you can make, or walnut banana bread is also already there on my channel. Already banana muffins are there, which are also with ripe bananas I made. Now this is a new one with chocolate cake like I have made with banana. A healthy twist to a chocolate cake. It keeps really very moist. Normally when you're making a chocolate cake also, you add banana to it, you will have extraordinarily softness and moist cake. Late night I was preparing at around 10 o'clock or something, so I did not wait for it to cool down completely, otherwise you have to leave it until it's completely cooled down. I will just cut them and leave it on the tray for a little while, and then I will pack it in airtight container, and I will leave it on countertop itself for 2 days. It will be okay without keeping it in the fridge, or even on the first day itself. If you keep in the fridge, whenever required you can take it, microwave it for just 15 seconds and you are good to serve it. Always you can serve this cake with either tea, or even you can take it for parties, or like how I served my kids, just warm cake with a nice scoop of vanilla ice cream also is very tasty to enjoy. It serves the purpose of dessert also on weekends after a nice great meal. But always remember, add very less sugar, as there is lot of sweetness in bananas, in chocolate chip. Already sweetness will be there, so sugar is very less only I have used. See, this is what I told. You can serve it along with some vanilla ice cream, and it's a great dessert after your meal. For assembling all the ingredients for this cake just takes 10 minutes to 15 minutes depending on the speed. and for baking time it is only 30 minutes. So altogether 40 minutes, this lovely spongy, nice, super moist cake will be very much ready, that too homemade cake. Nowadays here the weather is very dry and very cold and windy too. Now let's move on to our next recipe, that is Nawabi chicken. Super easy recipe, closely watch it. I have taken 1 black cardamom, 4 green cardamom, cloves, cinnamon, 1 bay leaf, almonds and cashew and poppy seeds, 1 teaspoon zira, 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds, that is saunf, pepper and red chili, dry red chili, last 1 pinch of saffron. All these things you have to make a fine powder and keep it aside. Next I will be taking the chicken. I have made it with 1 kg chicken. I bought all leg quarters only, cut in 2 pieces. You can see nice give slits on chicken. I have taken 1 heaped spoon of ginger garlic paste and 1 lemon juice and salt to taste. See that ground powder, right? I added that masala first, then Kashmiri red chili powder and turmeric powder. Oil half cup I have added and 1 full cup of fried onions, and this is 1 cup of yogurt. Nicely give it a good mix. All this was done previous day night itself. Mix it well, marinate it nicely and cover it and keep it in fridge. Always any party time, this recipe is going to be very helpful. You don't need to work too much on the day of party. Even at home when you have too much of work, this is going to be very easy. See, now I have taken a nice wide open pot. In that I will be adding all the marinated chicken, and you don't need to add water, but sometimes it tends to stick in the bottom if your kadai is not heavy bottom. So in between when I was checking, right, that time I added some half glass of water, I think, because chicken itself will release its own liquid, as we have also added yogurt, lemon, all that, right? With that even chicken will release its liquid and we will have enough water, don't worry. Now simply I will keep on high to medium flame for 5 minutes, and after 5 minutes I will keep the flames on very low for 1 to 1.5 hours. In between every 20 minutes I had been coming and checking and giving a nice jiggle so that it doesn't stick to the bottom, as there is cashew and almonds in them. Now I just drizzle little bit of heavy whipping cream and nice handful of coriander. Whipping cream is optional. If you don't like, don't worry, you can avoid it also. Nicely give it a good mix, and I'll cover it and leave for nice oil to separate. If you off the flames, right, at this point I have just off the flames and covered it and kept, and I will open and just add little bit of more ghee to this chicken to make it much more special and Nawabi. That flavor also will be very nice. That's it. Our final look of this Nawabi chicken is very beautiful and very tasty, soft chicken. I couldn't show the tenderness. It was really very tender. I made it at home and went out. By the time I come, most of the chicken was over, so I couldn't show you how I served it. But it was very tasty. Served it with naan. I'm just adding few clips of festival decorations over here from Christmas to New Year. It's a tradition of people decorating their front of the house with lot of lights and candy cans and lot more snowmen. So many things will be there. I'm not going in detail. I've just added few clips for all of you to enjoy. Hope you all like it. If you like my videos, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Live tasty, be happy. Soon I'll be back with another awesome recipe or a vlog. Until then, stay safe, take care and goodbye.